Good afternoon, sir. My name is Jenry Arabanas. I was signing page 12 to 14. Sectioning rules. Number 1. The cutting plane line need out to be continuous straight line. It may change in direction depending on the desired position of the sectioner view. This line may be drawn in color ink to discuss it from the other line in drawing.
Ayon sa number 1, cutting plane to noise, cutting plane line can change direction. Ang cutting plane line ay hindi kailangan diretsuhin palagi. Pwede rin itong lumiko palagi. Pwede rin itong lumiko, depende sa kailangan na view ng drawing. Halimbawa, kung ang object ay may ligo-ligong bahagi, pwede kong sundan yung shape niya para makita ko yun sa loob ng lahat ng parts. Para makita yung loob ng parts niya, minsan din pwede rin itong kulayan para mas madali itong makita. Pwede mo siyang kulayan para madali mo siyang makita.
Number 2. Rivets, bolts, screws, keys, ribs, and spokes which lie along or in the line with cutting plane. 9 should not be sectioned.
Some parts, number 2 is some parts are not sectioned, bolts, screw, etc. etc. So, ang mga rivets, bolts, screw, keys, ribs, and spoke ay hindi sinesection kahit na tamaan ng cutting plane. Halimbawa, kahit dumaan ang hiwa sa bolt, hindi ko siya lalagyan ng shading para hindi siya magulo ang drawing. Para maklaro lang ba? Hindi magulo, kahit di mo nalagyan ng shading.
Number 3. Any section which makes the view unsightly should be conventionalized. This is not true of hands, wheel, but also of gear teeth and shafts.
Number 3. Ayon sa number 3 is make complex section simple. Conventionalize. So, kapag ang section ay mukhang magulo o hindi maganda tignan, pinapasimple ito gamit yung standard drawing style. So, halimbawa ko doon is, so, diba, sa gear, ayan o. Sa gear o shaft, hindi ko i-detalye lahat. Gagawin ko na lang simple para malinaw pa rin. Para simple lang, para malinaw pa rin yung pagka-discuss. Ganun.
Number 4. Cross-hatching or section lines where adjacent metal parts must be made in opposite direction, even that are made of the same material.
Number 4, opposite hatching. Ayon dito sa number 4 is opposite hatching for adjacent parts. Kapag magdikit-dikit ng mga dalawang metal parts, dapat magkaiba yung direction ng shading nila. Halimbawa, yung isang part is sa left. Then yung isa is for right, para madaling ma-identify yung bawat parts. Para yung isa sa left, pa left, so pa right. Para madali yung ma-identify yung mga bawat parts.
Number 5. In half section, always show the limiting line or long break.
Then sa number 5, ayon sa number 5, half section drawing. Half section must show limiting line. Sa half section drawing, kailangan may malinaw na line na naghiwalay sa section at non-section. So, halimbawa ko is sa bilog na may object, kalahati may shading. Tapos yung kalahati wala. At sa may center line na naghiwalay. Para di ka malito.
Number 6. All detail or remove section should be labeled with capital letter.
Then number 6. Sabi sa 6 is label or remove or detail section. Lahat ng separate section ay dapat may capital letter label. So, halimbawa ko is, pag may cut na may hiwalay na drawing, nililabel ko na siya na, nyari dito, section A. Ano ba, para di ka malito. Nililabel ko na siya daan.
Number 7. V-thread sensation always be conventionalized as shown figure 66.
Then, number 7, V-threads are shown in conventional way. Ang thread ng screw ay hindi dinodrawing ng buo, ginagamit lang ang standard symbol. So, halimbawa ko is hindi ko drawing spiral. Simple lines lang para ipakita na may thread. Yan lang. Pakita mo lang may thread.
Number 8. Hidden lines beyond the sectional views may be omitted.
Number 8 is, ayon sa 8 is hidden lines may be omitted. Ang hidden lines ay pwedeng alisin kung makita ng loob sa loob ng section view. So, halimbawa ko is, kung kita na ang butas sa loob, hindi ko na ilalagay yung dash line. Kasi kita naman. Ba't po lalagyan ng dash line, diba?
Number 9. Always indicate can be easily checked as the proper direction of the sectional view.
And 9. Show direction of sectional view clearly. So, kailangan malinaw kung saan natingin ang view. Pagkatapos mo mag-cut. Halimbawa, nilagyan ko ng arrow yung cutting line. Siyempre, para malaman ko kung saan galing yung view. Saan galing ang view.
Number 10. The sectional lines for metals must be uniformly drawn not only in width or thickness but also in distance between them.
Then, number 10. Number 10 ko no is uniform section lines. So, ang shading lines ay dapat pantay-pantay yung kapal at pagitan. So, halimbawa nun is lahat ng lines sa section is straight. Siyempre, same spacing at hindi yung magulo tignan. So, slide 13. Slide 13, common mechanical components in section. So, good day sir, I will explain how common mechanical parts are shown when they are sectioned in technical drawing. So, harita sa hand wheel. When a hand wheel is sectioned, the spokes are not cut or shaded. Even if the cutting plane passes through them, we leave them solid. So, ginagawa ito para hindi magmukhang solid disc ang hand wheel at para malinaw na may spoke siya. So, fastener. Bolt screw rivets, fastener like bolt screw, and rivets are not sectioned, even if the cutting plane passes throughout them. So, ginagawa ito para is mas madaling basahin ang drawing at hindi maging confusing ang mga details ba. So, slide 14. Specialized conventional section. Like, it cutting ribs. When the cut is parallel to ribs or webs, we do not hatch them. So, ginagawa ito is para hindi magmukhang mas makapal ang parts kaysa sa totoong design niya.
Screw threads in section.
And threads. So, threads and holes. Threads are shown using standard closed lines to represent their shape and depth. So, ito ay para malinaw na makita na may thread ang butas kahit hindi na fully drawn.
Adjustment steel and cast iron parts.
And adjacent parts. Different shading direction are used for parts that are next to each other. So, ginagawa ito sir is para madaling malaman kung saan nagtatapos ang isang part at nagsisimula ang isa. Malaman mo kung saan nagtatapos yung isang parts at kung saan siya nagsimula ang isa. Then gears. Gears teeth are not sectioned even if the cutting plane passes throughout them. So, ito ay para malinaw ang sheet ng gear at hindi maging magulo ang drawing.